In this case study, client was dealing with large PDF files and data were on different pages. And also sometimes data in more than 10 pages, more than 500, 1000 line items. So it was very hectic for my client to pick all those line items and then check that that item exists in their inventory or not. And also they have more than 10 vendors and every vendor has their different PDF files. And because of this hectic process, they were not able to do order very fast. Even though they were taking orders, but they are getting delayed because they were not able to check all those items are available in their inventory or not. And that is what we automated using Microsoft Form Recognizer. We created one model for one vendor. We trained all those PDFs and after that exposed API for their website. And they called that API in their website and just uploaded PDF file. It was able to extract the data and then match with their inventory and able to give that these items are available and these items are not available. So they are easily able to create item just on one click. And after that, they were able to process the order. So this is how we created their work simpler. Let me give you a demo. So as I said, the file were quite lengthy and the information was all over the places and it was very hard for the client to put all those data and do reorder. So you can see like the documents what we used. You can see here, and that is quite the documents. Then we will have document here. So you can see all these PDFs. These are quite lengthy, and it's not easy to pick all those numbers and then reorder. So that was the requirement, and how we completed it. So we trained these many models. You can see all these are models. So for example, hunting vendor, it's a vendor. So we trained PDF for hunting vendor. We trained PDF for vendor road and also some other models you can see here. So once you will go in hunting, you can see. So this is how it's picking data. So you can select it and then you can click on load model. So this is where we trained our model. Minimum of 5 PDFs are required to train the model. So this is how we trained it. So you can see like we have 3 files and on all 3 files, we picked data that which data we need. Apart from that, like once you train this model, you will go in testing and then you will click on, you can browse a file. For example, I can browse a hunting file and then I can run analysis. So once you will run analysis, it will give you a report that how it's coming. So based on that, you can see the we are getting a result just on here. And that is what we will use in our application. And after that, in web, we use that API. And here you can see we have hunting. Then we can click on upload and there we can select a company and then we will choose a file. For example, I'm going to choose this and then import. So it will ask that you want to item detected. It means that some items already in database, some items are not there. That is what you can do. And now it will scan the PDF and read the data, and based on that it will give us option that we can do reorder from all those items which were available in that particular PDF. And this is how we solve our client challenge using found recognizer. We trained model, and after training all those models we expose API, and that API we use here to pull the data from that PDF and so on web so client can reorder all those items. So with this solution, we solved our client problem, made their order processing fast, also effective, accurate, and efficient. So if you are looking for this kind of solutions, please connect us. on stwautomation.com. This is Sandeep Misra signing out.